We're going to do a nice little scene. We're going to have some mountains. If you haven't been to my website, why not? There's a sale on as well. At the end of the live, I'm going to give you a discount code. Going straight into some crimson. Doing it in sort of wavy motions, as you can see. Here. Go here. So this is mixing with the liquid white. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. So we're going to start blending this out. It's good because there's minimal paint. Minimal paint. There we go. Alright, some blue. Got some blue. Some alizarin crimson. And I'm going to make a little pile over here. Just don't need too much of this. Make sort of a lavenderish sort of colour. Somewhere like that colour there. That'll do. This is going to go a little bit light. We're going to make some sort of clouds here and there. Let's just twist some little clouds in here. We'll put one here. Tap in some little ones. Let's just blend these. Just some light clouds in the sky. I'll just blend these out now. Keep blending and blending. Okay, let's go. Something like that. We're going to do some mountains in a minute, so stick around. Share the live, guys, if you can. It really helps out. Tap the screen. I'm going to go straight into some black here. I'm just going to make some mountain shapes now. So going into, I'm just using black here. Just black. And we can make some, wherever your knife takes you, is where the mountain lives. Just scratch that in. Come on, maybe that one comes down there. Let's just drop him off somewhere. Let's have that one going off somewhere around there. I'm just going to use the brush that I was using. I'm going to start making some shapes and putting this colour down. And that'll mix automatically with that pink and crimson on the board there. And almost sort of cut in again where that line was. There we go, look at that. So I'm going to start with making a greyish sort of colour. And then I'm going to add some highlights as we go along on the mountains. Some white here, I'm going to use some of this black. But like I said, I'm going to add some different colours to this. So probably just 2 or 3 sort of layers of colours. Let's just create all these different things. A bit more white. Going to create all these different shapes of mountains here. Might have a little bit of a cove in here. Like I said, I'll build this one up so we can make this a bit different. There we go. This one here, we can just pull this down. Then we're going to add some different colours on, like I said. I'm going to do another little peak that lives there. Here. There's another little peak that lives there. And that's going to come around that way. Just like that. Just knocking up a pinky colour. Okay, let's go. Let's just add all these different things here. Where do we want this one to come? Maybe down there. This one comes all the way down here. There's loads on my website for sale. Yeah, we're going to bring some of that colour. Just bringing this all in here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Have that one sort of connecting up there. On the other side, maybe just a hint of blue with that colour. I want it dark. Just going to make up a shadow sort of colour. Some blue, some grey, some pink. Let's see what this looks like. We're going to do the other side now and just bring them in together. Don't forget to share the live. Come on guys, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's get a painter scene on TikTok rather than these, I don't know, some of these videos you see on there. Right, I'm gonna sort of mingle them two in together now. Keeping some of the dark there, it's important to keep some of the dark. This is alright, because you know we're going to add some clouds into this colour here for the clouds. Let's just put a little bit of this in the water. Let's just blend this out here. Quite happy with the mist on this one. It's quite, you can bring that as far as up the mountain as you want really. Got some black. Just follow this sort of line around here and just put some little, maybe there's a little tree line that lives there. Maybe there's one that comes up there. Now here, I'm just going to lift up slightly. Probably be too small for you to see. A little bit of mist in there. Just by tapping at the bottom. So lift up here, look, just some little trees. Go all the way up there. Very gently. Lots of depth. With the mist as well, it just gives plenty and plenty of depth. I'm going to do one more that's close. So this is going to be darker. It's 10% off a spend of 50. Free postage. What more could you want, eh? I want to close this in now. I'm going to do some water. I'm going to come down to about here. I'm just going to pull this colour down. The mountains are too far away for a reflection, I think, so we're not going to do them. Go across here. We'll just make that into sort of a water reflection. And again we'll do the water reflections. Just bringing all that colour down. And then just slightly go across. I think where that little water line sits. Scratch that in. Awesome, June, you're amazing, thank you. Painting is sold. Awesome. All the way up here. Just putting all this in here. There we go. I'm going to put some some little grasses and stuff down here. This is called Mountain of Dreams. So, thank you.